So hi guys, how are you? I was actually recording a video to see the reactions of the Java Prac on the normal people. Couple of people came and asked me about the motorcycle, but my GoPro was off because I didn't have battery. So anyways, I'm making this video now. So you can see everybody kind of, looks at this motorcycle. This guy on the cycle was looking at me for a while I was setting up my GoPro. Two people came and asked me about the motorcycle. One said he wanted to buy some MT, I don't know, some Apache RTR MT, and he asked me if I wanted to kind of, try up. That's a friend of mine. He's on the RD350, another iconic motorcycle. So just riding on the motorcycle, enjoying it, enjoying the attention. Actually got a lot of attention, a lot of people walking up to me. I ran out of battery I ran out of space on my GoPro, so could not capture a couple of the reactions, and I'll just make it now. Fucking one day I'm on a bike and no red lights, all green. So you can see these guys looking at the Prac here. What a bike. Really enjoying this motorcycle. Such a smooth bike, yeah. Just glide. I think the shockers are getting better over time. I don't know. Or maybe the seats become more comfortable. I'm hardly feeling the bumps now. And what power band. Sometimes it actually goes so quiet that I feel it's shut off. Sometimes I feel the motorcycle shut off, but it's not. So that's kind of fantastic. Okay. So this is my life. I had this motorcycle for close to, I think, 20 days now, and still enjoying it. So a lot of you guys asked me about the fuel thing. My light is on at 265 kilometers, which shouldn't be, because that's like less than 20 kilometers. But I think when I saw I kind of opened up the tank manually, there was a lot of fuel. So maybe, it's got a 5 or a 10 liter reserve. I'm not sure. Maybe a 5 liter. So my friend's coming behind. Just got a new RD or an old RD, whatever one man can call it. I don't know where he's gone. Can't see him. Where has he gone? So this guy is looking at the motorcycle and just kind of I think maybe he stopped at the red light. We can just get off. Somebody there also looking at the motorcycle. So that's kind of cool. Can't find my friend. I think I'll have to kind of call him. So there he is, coming on the RD. So this guy is looking at the bike. कहाँ रह गए थे आप? अच्छा अच्छा, चलो. हाँ 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 हाँ. Did I run out of fuel? No, I can see a lot of fuel down there. It's unusual. Did my Java shut down on me? I don't know why that's happening. Huh? Okay, this is kind of embarrassing. Yeah, fit now. Did I not press the clutch there? Did I run out of battery? I don't know. I think I should get fuel filled. Is it just giving me a mileage of 20 kilometers? I'm not sure. Because it's supposed to be 14 liters. I had got a full tank done. And just shutting down at 20. Or maybe I didn't press the clutch. I don't know. Something's happened. So I think I should kind of okay, so I'll just risk it. Let's see what happens. Because if it shut down, then maybe I didn't press the clutch. I don't know, maybe I did something wrong. Just figuring that part out. So the RD is looking very cool. That's a cool looking car. Truck. Just riding my motorcycle, having fun. All the traffic diverted here. As you can see, the bike runs very smoothly. Already 2 people came and asked me about the motorcycle. That was nice. But why did it shut down? Maybe I didn't press the clutch. Something I did wrong. I'm not used to pressing the clutch. My other bikes don't require me to, press the clutch on this. Shocker. It wasn't that bad actually. Just taking this cut. So those guys in the motorcycle checking out the bike. Riding with the legend. That guy on the motorcycle checking out the motorcycle. A lot of people, kind of see. So everybody's looking at it, everybody wants to know about it. It's got a pretty kick-ass impression, Look at this guy. How much attention do you get on a KTM or an Enfield? I don't think so you'll ever get this kind of attention. I mean, this is what Java has done. Java has created something at this price point which you can't beat. I mean, that's mind blowing. So here everybody's looking at the RD and the Java. And my friend here on the RD, he has a S1000R and he has a ZX10R. So you know, those are expensive motorcycles, and now both of us are riding these classic motorcycles, and you know what we get, I can kind of appreciate why people buy RDs or those old HDs, because you do get the looks. I mean, it's like a Thar, you spend like 10-12 lakhs, get you more looks than an Endeavour will. I mean that's what these motorcycles do for you. This is such a fucking smooth bike. I love this motorcycle. I don't know why people are having so many issues with it. But I don't know why I'm kind of taking a risk with the petrol here. I should get that filled. And this maybe the first time around, the mileage. Okay. So see that guy looking there. This guy is trying to race against the RD on a Polo TSI. Kind of. So there is a cut there. I mean, we missed that first one. So cop didn't stop us. Too much checking happening in Gurgaon lately. So the bike is fantastic. I'm having so much fun on this. What a feel. Love that sound on the RD. And see that guy looking there. I mean, everybody wants to see the motorcycle. I really am happy with the kind of attention I get on this. The kind of the kind of feel I get on this when I'm riding it. Damn, the seats actually softened down. So it's like, it's become more comfortable. The seat was stiff. If you see my first review, I think almost 300 kilometers later, the motorcycle has kind of, smoothened down. So coming to sector 45, and people looking at the motorcycle. Oh, people actually stopping to look at the motorcycle. These guys here. Oh, that speed breaker didn't hit. So I think only the bad ones, the ones which stick out, the ones which people make themselves at home. Those are the ones which kind of fuck things up. So you see, everybody who sees the motorcycle wants to look again. It could be anybody from this guy to this guy, like anybody. Everybody wants to have a look at the motorcycle. Everybody's looking at the motorcycle. RD, Java, asking them something. So it's funny, the way people walk up to you. I mean, two people walked up to me today. Sadly, the camera didn't have space, but yeah, they did walk up to me. So, but this RD is damn cool, yeah. So we are looking for a friend's house. Today we have finally, it's going to be a show and tell kind of system. Wow. So I love the Java. I don't know, it's such a light motorcycle. I'm tired of riding my big heavy motorcycles. And so finally, yeah. So finally I'm at the So okay, this is not the destination. That would have been hard, you know, reversing the Ducati 240 kilos. So we are finally at our friend's house, and yeah. So great, guys. So that's another review for you guys on the Perak, and hope you guys liked it. You can see that it's still running. They're shutting it down now. Look at that sound. That's the fan running. As soon as it goes under 90%, it's gonna shut down.